This is just a 5 minutes to 12 midnight, and we are still working. We walk around the clock here in Sayemi Nature Science Center. All this thing now, because what we handle does not require us going to sleep like any other person. Three major areas that are critical to human living. Number one, infertility. Number two, chronic diseases. What are chronic diseases? Diseases that you think that have been taking medication for more than 1 year and it's still there. And then terminal diseases. All these are diseases that are cancer. For example, now some of all this one now, they address what people call cancer. And we are working because of the people we have on admission. And besides that, we had a patient all the way from is having prostate cancer. I said the medication is divided into two, the enlargement and the cancer. So let me start with the enlargement first and see how the medication works. He came back with the excitement, because all these symptoms have disappeared. The size has become normal. In UK, you don't have the test here. So it's not the one that we fake. He said now I want to go to the cancer treatment. So that is dispatching these things in the morning to him. And everything we do here, the evidences are there. This is Sayemi Nature Science Center. This is the last bus stop where it comes to sound holistic health delivery from the nature perspective. We don't give injection. We don't slice human being, but we provide solution because God is on our side. That's just it.